Yo.
Yo, yo. Yeah, Sedge, what, you got a problem with that?
No.
So,
I got a new shirt today, and I just want to give a shout out to my new peeps,
which is
Jonas Brothers! You know, I've always wanted to marry that one.
Yeah, he's pretty cute.
Which one have you always wanted to be? Marry, date, whatever.
Either Nick or Joe. Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, so, a lot of people sometimes tell me that my makeup's too dark, but I mean, like, I don't see it. So maybe if you can tell me, is my makeup too dark?
No.
No. See, I don't get it.
Nicole, look at me.
Nicole. Do I have anything in my teeth? No, do I?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That's a trick question, because I fixed my gap.
Oh, she had a gap?
Not in the school year. I mean, like, I got it
fixed. Digitally enhanced?
Yeah.
So, we just wanted to let you know that we're coming out with a bunch of new videos.
Yeah.
We're going to be making a music video.
Oh, MJ. A music video.
We're going to be in a castle. Look out, cause are you ready to rock?
I am. Okay, so I guess we'll talk to you peeps later. Bye!